This is a Portronics Dash 7 omnidirectional mic. This mic is available in between 700 to 800 rupees, and also this one is supported for a Type-C devices like Android or iPhone or even cameras. So in this video, let's find out whether this is the best mic under 700 to 800 rupees price range or not. First, let's start with the unboxing. This is how the box looks like. It's very simple and straightforward. In the box, you get some paperwork along with a warranty card. This one comes with 1 year of warranty, which is a good thing. Then we have the receiver and microphone along with a filter. This mic looks very simple and you clip this to your shirt or t-shirt. There is a Type-C slot to charge the receiver and mic. If you observe, under 1000 rupees, most of the microphones are supported by USB, I mean micro USB for charging. Below the box, you get Type A to Type C cable for charging. That's all. These are the things that you will get inside the box. The connection is very simple and straightforward for this wireless microphone. Just connect the receiver to your smartphone or camera or even iPhone after turning it on. The green light starts blinking on the mic. That means the mic is ready to pair with the receiver. To turn on the mic, press and hold the button for some seconds, and it is the same for turning off as well. After connecting to the receiver, the green light will be static and there will be no blinking. That means it is connected perfectly. Now open any audio recorder app on your mobile and start recording. That's all. If in case you are using any DSLR camera that supports Type-C slot, you can directly plug it and record it. Even if you want, you can directly record the video from the inbuilt camera app. But some mobiles don't support this, so on that time, you need to download some third-party applications like Open Camera or some others to use this external mic while recording the video. This is all about the connection. Now, come to the charging. You charge these with the help of Type-C, which I already shared during the unboxing section. The red light will be shown while charging the device and it will turn off if it is fully charged. If the battery is less than 20%, blue light will flash. Even if you want, you can charge this while you are using it. I tried to charge the mic and receiver during the usage. Yes, you can do that, and also the receiver charges the mobile if the battery is low, which is a good thing. And one more thing, while you are recording, if you want to pass the audio, to do not record the audio with the microphone, just press the power button once, so the audio cannot capture, but the audio in the app is still recording continuously. It's like cutting off the mic audio but still recording the audio. Now it's time to check the audio quality of this microphone. Up to now, the audio you are listening is directly coming from this Rode collar microphone, which is very good, and I have been using this one for a couple of months now. Now the audio you are listening is from the microphone. Hello, mic check 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is the audio without adding any filter to it. This is a straight raw audio that is directly coming from the microphone. Actually, for any microphone, if in case you want to increase the audio quality, you need some basic audio editing skills. I know this room has a lot of echo, and this is how it picks the audio in indoor conditions without adding any filters. Now let's go out and check the audio quality with this mic. Right now I'm at outside conditions and the video you are seeing is directly coming from the DSLR camera, and the audio you are listening is directly coming from this Portronics microphone. Right now you are listening the audio from this mic only up to now. A lot of background noise is there and the wind is coming from back side, left, right and front side as well. You can judge how the wind is cutting off and wind is speaking from this mic. Also, you notice some of the nearby construction sounds as well, so for your better understanding. I didn't added any filters to it. This is the raw audio that is directly coming from this microphone and I'm recording in my mobile. Now I'm going to shift the Rode microphone, which I already clipped here, so you get a better understanding how this 5000 rupees mic is performing when compared to 7 to 800 rupees mic. Right now the audio you are listening is coming from the Rode microphone. You can judge the audio quality improvements when compared to the Portronics mic. I know this is not a fair comparison between these two microphones, but for you, what I want to share is, if you increase the budget of your microphone, you will see the significant improvements in the quality as well. Now again I shifted back to the Portronics microphone. You can judge how the audio quality here is like. If in case you want to shoot vlog type things in outdoor conditions, then this Portronics mic is not a good choice for you. I'll tell more details in the pros and cons section, and also I'm going to share for whom this mic is actually meant for. I think it's more than enough to test in outdoor conditions. Let's go to inside. Now it's time to talk about the pros and cons of this Portronics Dash 7 wireless microphone. Before sharing the pros, on paper they mentioned that the working time for this mic is 6 hours. But it is 100% sure that you won't get 6 hours straight if you use this. But you can expect somehow close to 5 or 5 plus hours, or in worst cases 1 hour or 1 hour less. In my testing, I'm unable to use these many hours, so that's why I'm telling the range as per my experience and knowledge. Also, the battery mAh is 70 in this one. Now, come to the pros. The first thing is the price. For this price, you are getting a wireless mic that supports Type-C, which is a great thing. Number 2, Type-C charging slot. You don't need to carry an additional cable to charge this wireless microphone. Number 3, the connection is very simple and straightforward. There is no need to install any application or turn on Bluetooth to use this mic. Number 4, carrying this mic is very easy and it was just 6.7 grams in weight. Also, they didn't mention the range of this mic because this is not Bluetooth supported. In my testing, it works super fine even if I move little far from the device that is connected. I'm also not sure how many meters this range will last. Now, coming to the cons, these are very important whether you choose this mic or not. Number 1 is the audio quality. You don't expect great audio from this microphone because you need to consider the price as well. Just for occasional use, it is okay, and when it comes to the audio quality, out of 10, I will give 2 to 3 rating. If you record in outdoor conditions, it picks up a lot of noise because it is an omnidirectional microphone, which means it captures the audio from 360 degrees. Number 2 is mounting the mic. For a t-shirt, it is good. You can easily attach this clip. But if you're wearing a shirt, then the position of the mic is changed from where your voice is coming. You need to attach either the left side or right side or slightly tilted angle to pick the audio. These are the main problems I noticed with this mic. So, for whom this mic is actually meant for? This mic is good for those who are actually using it in indoor conditions with very little or minimum background noise. And also for those who record videos for long distance in their homes, because if you're away from your mobile or DSLR camera, the internal microphone of that particular device, whatever it is capturing the video, is not going to be good enough to pick the audio at that time. If in case you record videos with mobile in hand at most of the times, then this microphone is not a good choice for you. You will get better audio than this one from your mobile phone itself. Overall, if you are recording videos in indoor conditions with camera that is far away from you, then you start using this mic. Apart from that, it is not at all useful. And also make sure that you need some audio editing skills to enhance the audio that is directly coming from this microphone. If you're interested to buy this mic, I gave the link in the description box, which is an affiliate link. If you click the link and purchase anything from that, I'll get some commission. Thank you so much in advance for checking that. If you want a microphone that fits your different usage patterns like indoor or outdoor, these are the videos that I recommend you to watch. In every video, I shared for whom these microphones are useful.